Today I'll be showing you guys how to repair the right speaker on the Powerbeats 3 wireless. All the tools and parts can be found in the description below. So to get started, we're going to remove the ear tips here. And we can bend out the hair hook a little bit so it'll be easier to work with. Next we're going to take our heat gun. We're going to have it set to roughly 200 degrees. And we will heat up around where the speaker and the housing meet. We got to make sure we are constantly moving the heat so it doesn't stay in one spot and melt the plastic. Next, we just gotta lift up the speaker from the housing. And if you heat it up enough, it should just come off. Now we gotta unsolder the speaker here. So we'll take our soldering iron, go right up to the points. There we go. Now we gotta take the adhesive that's on the rim here, pull that off. We'll take our heat gun. Now we take our flathead, just go along the edge, take out the remaining adhesive. Now that we got that cleaned up, now we can solder on our replacement speaker. So to do that, I'm going to get a helping hand. Alright, we're going to take our soldering iron. So the white wire would go on the left point, and the other one on the other point. Alright. Now we make sure that it fits. And at this point, you can run a test to make sure that the point connection is all good. After you've done that, we can then glue the speaker right back to the housing. To do this, we're going to take our adhesive. Now, any of the excess adhesive can be removed with some rubbing alcohol. And while the adhesive cures, we're going to take a rubber band and attach it just to make sure that it has a proper bond. Alright, and that's how you replace the right speaker on a Powerbeats 3 wireless.